This is a 2010 Acura RDX. It features a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a power sunroof, heated front seats, alloy wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, satellite radio ready, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, a traction control system, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. This Acura has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.